Now, kung hindi mo pa alam kung ano ang System.io or first time mo pa siyang makita dito sa aking video, basically guys, si System.io ay isang all-in-one business platform to launch and scale a business from complete scratch. Ang kagandahan kasi dito sa System.io guys is that pwede ka nang magsimula ng digital business kahit naka-free account ka lang. Dahil si System.io ay meron siyang lifetime na free account. So, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung pricing model niya. As you can see here guys, ito po yung pricing model ni System.io. Dito sa free, as in lifetime talaga siya na free. So, you will have 2,000 contacts. You can send emails unlimited, 3 sales funnels, and the 15 sales funnel steps, 1 blog where you are going to create your website, blog posts unlimited, you can host your online courses, 1, and you can add students to your online courses unlimited, and then you will have communities 1, community members unlimited, file storage space is unlimited, which is very good talaga siya guys. Automation rules is 1, workflows 1, tags 1, email campaigns 1, click upsells is 1, order bump is 1. So, ayan guys, ito yung makukuha mo once mag-sign up ka kay System.io na kahit na hindi ka pa mag-upgrade sa kanilang plan, ito yung mga paid plan nila, ay you are going to avail these features na to, which is I totally like kasi walang ibang all-in-one business platform na mayroong ganitong offer sa totoo lang. So, this is the reason why nagustuhan ko talaga si System.io guys dahil dun sa free plan niya nung nakita ko siya. Kasi nung nag-start ako sa aking digital business way back 2018, kailangan kong mag-spend ng around 12,000 per year to maintain the online business kasi I have to pay for the websites, for the email automations, and for the hosting ng course, and a lot of tools and softwares na kailangan. Pero hindi ko naman pinagsisihan that I invested on that part during my first year of being a digital marketer. Kasi doon ko din natutunan yung lahat-lahat. Pero, nung nakita ko si System.io, ay napawaw talaga ako dun sa mga features niya, dun sa free pa lang. Kaya sobrang naano ako sa kanya na i-try ko talaga siya, and ito talaga ang always recommended ko sa mga nag-start pa lang. And tsaka dito kay System.io guys, hindi mo na din kailangan bumili ng hosting plan kasi siya na din yung magsisilbi na host kapag mayroon ka ng custom domain. Diba? Ang ganda. And with the help of System.io, I was able to build my email list. Sa ngayon guys, meron na po akong about 500 plus na email subscribers. So if you are one of my email subscribers, then hello there! At dahil po yan kay System.io, kaya nakapag-build ako unti-unti na aking email list. To get started sa System.io guys, you need to create an account using your Gmail. I will also put a link in the description of this video, and by the way, that is my System.io affiliate link. Hindi naman compulsory that you are going to use my affiliate link. But of course, if you're gonna use my System.io affiliate link to sign up in System.io, then meron din po akong ibibigay sa'yo na thank you gift. So if you use my System.io affiliate link to create an account on System.io, just send an email to support@rosegumera.com to receive your free gift. Alright, let's proceed guys. So, pag gagawa ka ng account, i-click mo lang itong get my free account. And then enter your email address here and click get my free account. After mong malagay yung email address mo, so merong isi-send sa'yo si System.io na link, and then you need to click that one for confirmation. So after that, if nakagawa ka na ng account, i-click mo na itong sign in, and here you need to enter the email address na ginamit mo sa paggawa ng account kay System.io, and then click sign in. And also, meron din silang 2-factor authentication right now. So, i-click mo lang yung email address mo to get the verification code. And then, you need to enter here sa text box and then click sign in. So, here, sa dashboard, once na i-hover mo yung mouse mo, makikita mo yung main dashboard, affiliate dashboard, student dashboard, and marketplace. And also, contacts, if you are going to build your email list, so dito mo naman siya makikita sa contacts. And for the funnels, ay dito tayo gagawa ng ating landing page. For the emails, mayroon tayong ditong newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. And then, For the blogs is dito naman tayo gagawa ng ating website. Okay? So, magkaiba po yung funnels at saka si blogs. So, ito po yung website. And then, for the automations, dito tayo magsiset ng automations like yung rules and workflows for our email marketing. And for the products, dito mo makikita yung physical products. Yes, pwede din magbenta ng physical products kay System.io. Then yung mga orders, coupons, and courses if you have your own online course in the future. So, dito mo siya makikita. And then yung communities. And then for the sales, dito mo makita yung transactions, subscriptions, affiliate invoices, my affiliate program if you have your own affiliate program, and for the settings is here. So, ano ba yung unang bagay na gagawin mo once na nakagawa ka na ng account kay System.io? So, dito guys, under settings, makita mo itong profile picture mo. I-click mo lang itong settings. Alright, as you can see here, settings and then profile. So, dito sa profile, lagyan mo na siya ng display name, yung first name and last name mo, yung country kung saan ka nagstay, city, and then yung address, postal code, state and province, and then phone number. And also the customer type, if individual, then choose individual, if company, then choose company. And then don't forget to click the save button, okay? Now again guys, the main goal of building an online business, whether you are doing affiliate marketing or you want to have your own digital products, is to build an email list. Mahalaga talaga guys na magkaroon ka ng email list.